Hello students, I am going to discuss very important topic friction. This topic is included in chapter dynamics. So this is my fourth lecture. In this fourth lecture I will discuss about friction. What is friction? Friction is basically opposing force. When we move any object, so there is an opposition of its moving. When we apply a force, so object during motion there will be an opposing force. This opposing force is caused to stop the motion. This opposing force is called friction. So you can see friction is the force which oppose motion or stop. This is called stopping force. It always acts opposite to the direction of travel. If object is moving forward, so friction will occur backward direction. If object is moving backward, friction will apply in forward direction. So this friction force is an opposing force. Now friction can be reduced by adding lubricants. If we use grease or oil, if we use lubricating oil or grease, friction can be reduced. Now look at this example. If we apply a pushing force on an object, it's a heavy load, and we apply a pushing force, so you will see movement will occur in forward direction, but on the surface a friction force will apply on the surface, and this friction force will be in backward direction.